Hey guys, welcome back to Health 110. We are starting Chapter 2 this week, but before I get into that content, I'd like to just highlight a couple of things that I've noticed so far in the course. First of all, we're off to a great start as a class. Participation's been outstanding. Assignments have come in on time. Guys, let's keep that up throughout the semester. Just a couple reminders of things that should have been done by now. So obviously, if you're watching this video, everyone's completed the enrollment verification activity. So as I was looking at the checklist bars, everyone completed all of these activities. However, I still have quite a few folks that didn't complete the activities in this section here, the course introduction and resources, adding to the Padlet and watching the videos and clicking on links there. Be sure to go back and do that if you haven't done so yet. And then the reason I highlight that is because I noticed that a lot of folks that didn't do this part have completed Chapter 1 already. So just be sure you go back and hit that checklist bar is really where I get your participation grade from, and that's 40% of your overall grade. And so you want to make sure you have the highest grade you can get there, and that's just a matter of going through, clicking on all the links in every chapter and submitting the assignments. Okay, enough about that. So with Chapter 1, you kind of got the foundation or the introduction to the course, okay? And you'll realize that when we're talking health in the 21st century, we're talking about a comprehensive approach to all aspects of your health. Sometimes we get caught up in thinking about just diet and exercise, just my body, and it's much more to it than that. We talk about the spiritual side, the psychological, mental, emotional, social, all of those things. So we're taking a really comprehensive approach throughout this particular course, okay? So this week, moving on to Chapter 2, and I'm really glad they started with psychological health. For so long, talks about psychological and mental and emotional health, it's almost been taboo. It's something that we didn't want to talk about, and for a lot of people, they didn't want to acknowledge it. Feel like there's something wrong with them. Let me make it clear. Mental health issues is no different than, say, a broken bone. If you broke your arm, you're going to go to the doctor to get treated. Well, if you're experiencing mental health issues, it's important to see someone who's trained and licensed that can provide the necessary treatment for you. And so this book really gives a good overview of what psychological health is, how you can maintain a positive level of mental health, but also then kind of things to look for in case you may need to seek treatment or counseling. And guys, that's perfectly fine. I'm so happy now that in society we're kind of removing that taboo label off of that, and have more people sharing dialogue around this particular topic. And so just going through the week, if you survived last week, then that's pretty much what you have for the next 15 weeks ahead of you, or 14 weeks, okay? You've got this introduction video, another short video, what are the causes of depression, Chapter 2 PowerPoint, your lab, your quiz, and then as always, make sure you're monitoring your checklist and your grades. This bar should be completely empty. Oftentimes, it may not be completely full, and that's simply because you didn't maybe click on a link. That's all you had to do. So one thing I do want to caution you on is that with your My Labs Plus link, you're going to have to click that particular link inside that chapter each week. Otherwise, your checklist bar won't be full. So what I mean by that is some of you may have went in Chapter 1 and completed all the labs for the whole semester by clicking on this link. And that's great, and that's perfectly fine if you did that. However, your checklist isn't going to give you credit for going to My Labs Plus unless you click on the link inside that particular chapter. Okay, I hope that didn't confuse you. As always, I'm here if you have any questions. I didn't receive many emails last week, so I assume things are pretty clear. But if you have any questions in terms of on questions on the quiz or just what my expectations are, please shoot me an email. Guys, have a great week. Take care.